Bitcoin is staying at the same level for almost 1 week and it can annoy a lot of traders. Now I have some doubts about scenario which Bitcoin will choose. I have two possible scenarios which I want to show you in this video. Hello my dear friends, it's Ivan making the crypto analysis updates for you to make you aware how to trade to maximize your profit. Before we get started, I want to remind you that nothing from this video can be used as financial advice. Well guys, I finally fixed my microphone and now you can enjoy the perfect sound. And let's go to the price chart. What we can see on the daily time frame. As you already know, I told you that it was the wave 3. It was the most impulsive wave and I think it ended right here. And now I have two scenarios. The price should form the wave 4 and I have them doubts that wave 4 ended right here when we saw this insane short signal. Because wave 4 have to be the longest wave. Usually it's the longest wave in terms of time, but if we zoom out all this chart, we can see that if the wave 4 ended right here, it means that it's much shorter than the wave 2, which was very long in terms of time, of course. Let's zoom in again. Now I want to show you the alternative scenario. Wave 4 usually represented as the ABC correction, and it could be the flat correction, the most untradeable situation, because it's too hard to distinguish this type of correction. But now we can try to do it. Let's see. It was the wave A, the huge wave A, the impulsive wave A. It was the wave A inside wave A, it was the wave B inside wave A, and it was the wave C. Of course, you can use another waves. For example, you can draw the wave A in such a way. This is the wave B and this is wave C. It doesn't matter because wave A have been already ended 100%. And now we have two options. Or the wave 4 ended here and it was the whole correction ABC zigzag, and now it was the wave 1, it was the wave 2, now it's the wave 3, which will break the previous low. After that we saw wave 4, we will see the wave 4 and the final wave 5. This is my main scenario which I want to play out, and I think it's the most probable scenario for this moment to form this type of Elliott wave formation. Here, of course, should be formed the divergence with the MACD, maybe even double divergence or triple divergence with this point. It will be the very strong reversal potential point. But also we have another one scenario, and this is why I'm holding 30% in crypto right now. Wave 4 can be in progress right now. So it was the wave A, B, C inside wave A. It was the wave A inside B, wave B inside B. Now we saw wave C inside B, and now we can wait for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Elliott wave cycle inside wave C, inside wave 4. And in this case, this wave C can break this high at $25,000 very easily and can reach even $28,000. And only after that we will see the final wave 5, the very deep dive to $15,000, and it will be very painful for the whole market, because if we measure the price range, we can see that the price can lose almost 50% of the price. And in our positive scenario, in our first scenario, which I pointed out before, we can see that the price have to lose only approximately 20%. Now I have really doubts. I can't count Elliott waves in the correct way right now. It could be two types of Elliott wave formation. Of course, I hope it's the start of wave 3. We saw very impulsive wave 1. Now it could be the let me remove all this stuff. Of course, it could be the wave 1 inside wave 3. It's the wave 2. and we can expect the new crash wave 3. After that, wave 4 inside wave 3, wave 5 inside wave 3, some kind of wave 4, and the final wave 5 before the reversal. Of course, we have to observe the market, and if the price will go higher and higher, for me, we have to point out the critical level. If we assume that it was the wave 5, wave 1 inside wave 3 inside wave 5, and if we draw the Fibonacci retracement, I suppose if the price will break through $21,000 at 0.618 Fibonacci level and find support above it, it will be the worst scenario with the flat correction inside wave 4, inside global wave 4. But if the price will find the resistance at this point, or will continue its downside movement from this point, it means that now we are in critical phase of the final bearish dump. Well, guys, that's all what you need for to know. That's all what you need to know for today to maximize your profit. It's not a mistake to have 30% in crypto right now, because we have a great probability to grow. But also in every scenario, we will see the lower price, the lower than now, because the bear market cannot end without bullish divergence with the MACD, because it's obligatory condition which kill every trend, because every trend is ended with the wave 3 and wave 5. Thank you so much, guys, for attention. Good luck and goodbye.